तो चलो तो गाइस मेन राइडर आ गए हैं H2 पे। चलिए देखते हैं उनकी गाड़ी। तो अभी मैं मीट पे आ गया हूँ, देख सकते हैं कितने गाड़ी सब पूरा लाइन से आ रहे हैं। डोमिनर ग्रुप आ रही है पूरा हो गया। उसके बाद उधर देख सकते हैं पूरे डोमिनर में लोग आ रहे हैं। एक्चुअली मैं 50 या 60% था इधर मीट पर अराइव होने के लिए। मैं सोचा बहुत जल्दी आ गया क्योंकि, लेकिन ऑलमोस्टली परफेक्ट टाइम है आने के लिए। तो पूरे लोग हैं। मेरे हिसाब से थोड़ा डोमिनर ग्रुप है, तो चलिए दिखते हैं, दूसरी ग्रुप आते ही मिलते हैं। तो गाइस BRS शोएब है। सलाम अलैकुम शोएब, कैसे हैं?
कैसे हो?
मैं ठीक हूँ। याद है मुझे नेस पे मिला था पर्पल।
क्या चल रहा है तो?
हम एंटर पे
हाँ? एंटॉक
एक्सीडेंट बहुत खराब हुआ था ब्रो। अबे ये टीवी सेंटर पे अच्छा मॉडिफाई करता हूँ। क्या क्या चेंजेस हैं?
Hi guys, so let's kickstart the event.
Although it is there, I think I will let it be there. It feels good to be covered with the ethnicity of a certain place. Now let's begin. Thank you, and we all know why we are here. Or how many of you actually are aware, like why exactly and what exactly is this? Why are we here in Bangalore, and what are we doing? Anybody? Anyone has an idea? Thank you so much for quickly briefing out what exactly we are doing and why we are going all around India. So, just to again quickly tell all of you from our side. So, XPHP is primarily a forum, a platform, a community, and has been. Okay, so everybody's attention is towards the car right now. So what is it doing? Okay, he is trying to park it right next to us. Alright. So how many of you are actually aware about XBHP already? Like before today? Okay, that is great. Yeah, all of you know about us. So that makes my life easier. That means I don't have to tell you what XBHP is. So as he rightly said, Road Trip United, as the name suggests, we are going all around India. We are meeting a lot of bikers and biking clubs with a single motto of uniting them and taking them together and giving them a platform wherein we all can meet, we all can ride together. So we are not saying that okay, you come and be here. We are just saying you come and be here and talk to each other, meet each other, know each other. Because what happens is most of the time there are biking clubs in single city, but the club A doesn't know that club B exists, and club B doesn't ride with club C maybe because of some reasons. So how many biking clubs are here? Alright. So how many times it happens that we ride together? This club rides with that club. Hardly happens, right? So that is our motto, that yes, you may have a different kind of different biking clubs, but there is no harm in riding together, or maybe planning something wherein we can do something together, right? Because it doesn't matter what bike you have. So for example, that is the reason why we have this range of motorcycles and car with us. So whereas we have the world's fastest Ninja H2 with us, the world's biggest capacity Rocket 3R. At the same time, we have got one of the best looking, most beautiful made in India Apache RR 310, the sport bike of India, and a very potent scooter which is Ntorq. It's a 125cc. So from 125cc to 2500cc, we are all same. It doesn't matter if you are on two wheels, we are bikers, right? So that is the primary motto, and with that, the entire concept of Road Trip United came from ex-BHP, and the ex-BHP came from one single mind. Of course, later on, everybody joined together and made what it is today. So I would like to call that mind here, Sunny. Thank you so much, Manan. So hello Bengaluru, good morning. Right, I see that last time I came here, the attendance was 3 times more. There were 2 reasons. One is that we were riding on the road. We met at a toll. Who was there last time in Road Trip United with us? A lot of people. Was there anyone? Yeah. And of course, because of COVID, also, everything has been impacted, but I think life is becoming slowly back to normal. So thank you so much for coming here, and Manan has explained most of the things to you over here, why we are here, what we are doing. So after this, we are going towards Krishnagiri and then Kanyakumari, and then back up from the west coast all the way back to Delhi. So this is our 9th India ride that we are doing, and this time we thought that we should take different kind of motorcycles like we did the first time. I don't know if you know what we did the first time in 2006. In 2006 we also had a 1000cc bike and we also had a scooter. So both ends of the spectrum were covered. So XBHP actually means X amount of brake horsepower. So X can be 0 for a cycle, X can be 230 for a Ninja H2. I see there is one more Ninja H2 over there. So who's that? Who's riding that? You're riding that, alright. And I think there are a couple of N-Tops also over here. So we are welcoming all kind of people, all kind of machines, as long as you're wearing a helmet, wearing a riding gear. So coming to that, I just also want to thank another group of people, a company which is called Turtle Wax, which is also providing us a different kind of protection. So I just want to quickly call Rajit from Turtle Wax, because we've got these 3 gift hampers to give away. We're going to ask you a couple of questions today. Actually 3 questions very quickly. Rajit, please. No, you have to just say a couple of words. So about the company, then I'll ask the questions. This is quite heavy. So whoever is on a motorcycle, I don't think you'll be able to take this. I hope you have panniers on your bike, right? Alright, the first question, let me ask you. Let's start with my favorite question. So this is the H2, right? So when the tachometer is at, let's say, 10,000 RPM, how many RPM is the impeller of the supercharger running at? Raise your hand and then answer. You know there is a supercharger inside the bike, right? So what speed is the supercharger running if the actual crank, if the tachometer is showing 10,000 RPM? Anyone wants to try the luck? Okay, so now while we are here, we have done some giveaways. We could not thank all of you more by doing anything, but at least what we can do is we can at least give you a note of thanks to be here, and to all the biking clubs who have actually made motorcycling a kind of a culture, a lifestyle here in Bengaluru, and not only in Bengaluru but in entire India. So, but before that, I would like to thank all our partners who have actually understood our vision and came forward to support us. Like for example, here in Bengaluru, 6K IOM and Kivraj Motors, they came forward and supported us in hosting this event today. So, and moving forward, similarly like Turtle Wax has understood our concept, and all, but like the entire Road Trip United has been powered by Castrol Power1 and supercharged by Freecharge UPI. Besides that, we have got other partners as well who have come forward, like the Apache RR310, the TVS Ntorq, and Triumph India with their Rocket 3R, and the Motorola phones, Motorola with their Motorola phones, the Legion laptops, so they have come forward to support us. And also the other partners like the Rhinox and the Exor helmets made in India, so we are proudly using them. Besides that, we have more or less everybody who are supporting us, like the Thar is there, CA Tires for the car as a car tire partner for us. So everyone who has come forward and who understood, we really want to thank them. Now, yeah, please. Alright, so many people, they connect with us. They say that you want sponsorship, you want to ride from this place, you want to do this. So how can we get sponsorship? A lot of people, email me, message me on Instagram. So I just want to tell you one thing, just a bit of advice. If you want support from companies, if you want support from people, or generally you want to make motorcycling your career or riding your career, so one option is obviously YouTube. You create your own content, you become a motor vlogger, and you start earning out of it. So who wants to make riding motorcycles a career here? So whoever is not raising their hands, I guess you have a better job already. So can you please tell me, for example, what is better than riding motorcycles for a living? Please, no. People who did not raise their hands, obviously they are content in doing whatever they are doing. I mean, obviously we all love our jobs, but a lot of people, a lot of youngsters, they come up to me, they say that, we want to become this and that. We want to ride motorcycles for a living. So first of all, let me give an advice. Please do not start riding motorcycles or trying to make it a career because you just want to enjoy. Enjoying one thing is one thing, but making something a profession is altogether a different thing. Doing it every day for years and years, I think not many people can do that. So first of all, you have to realize from inside whether you really want to become a motor vlogger or you want to ride motorcycles for a living. Next advice is that please learn photography and videography. Cinematography, let me put it that way. I cannot stress enough how important it is to capture what you feel on a motorcycle. If you want to make this your living, if you want to tell people, what do you feel about riding, for example, around India? What do you feel when you ride RR 310 or the Rocket 3? Like, you need to tell a story with your pictures. So a lot of people I see, they are very good riders, they want sponsorship, but they're not willing to record their rides. So tell me, why will people follow you? What kind of story will you tell to so many people who are looking up to you? So that is a bit of advice. You can connect with us, we can get you, can help you get sponsorships. You can write us at info@xbhp.com, and if you're good in these things, very basic things, and we'll get you on your way. And we will also print you in the magazine. So that is that. And we can start with the first club here called Chakrasena. Chakrasena, nice. Very interesting name and a very appropriate name. So Chakra here is, I think, the wheel. Hi, very good. Here's a whistle. Yes. You can. No burnout.
You can do it right outside.
No. We need permission. Public road. You want to switch on the rocket?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Rocket man.
Rocket man.
Sunil. आज का हमारा रॉकेट मैन सुनील है. जाना पड़ेगा हमारे. लोग केक लेते जाएं। प्लीज हेल्प योरसेल्फ। आप लीजिए ना। थैंक यू।
तहसील भाई का जो ब्लॉग है दैट इज़ लाइक MTK व्लॉग्स एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट इज़ कि द कंटेंट दैट इज़ क्रिएटिंग इज़ विद एंटॉर। पीपल थिंक दैट यार अगर आपको ब्लॉगिंग करनी है और आपको ज़्यादा फेमस बनना है, ये करना है, वो करना है, तो यू हैव टू गेट अ सुपर बाइक। ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। अगर आप कंटेंट अच्छा बना रहे हो ना, तो चाहे किसी भी गाड़ी पे बनाओ, चाहे साइकिल ही क्यों ना हो। सुपर। तो आ गई मेरे को तो पीछे बैकग्राउंड में से भी आवाज़ आ गई, वाओ सुपर। तो वही आवाज़ निकलती है अपने आप से, वाओ सुपर, अगर कंटेंट अच्छा हो तो भाई अगर अच्छा काम कर रहा है तो प्लीज़ फॉलो करो, लाइक करो, सब्सक्राइब करो। और अगर अच्छा नहीं कर रहा है तो कमेंट करके बता देना कि भाई अच्छा कर रहा है, ठीक है ना, अनसब्सक्राइब मत करना।